Oh well, it might help if I actually buckle up my helmet. Alright. I saw 16 bikes on the way home. So if nobody's out today, I swear to God, I'm gonna lose it. Ooh, look at that 370Z, 350Z. Alright guys, not gonna lie, we're feeling a little hoonigan-y today. Feeling a little hoonigan-y, a little rambunctious today. I'm not gonna lane split because it's not legal yet. All you bikers need to learn that when something is signed into law, it doesn't mean it immediately becomes effective. So, Colorado is now gonna allow lane filtering. There's, I think, 2 or 3 stipulations for lane filtering in Colorado. First of all, lane filtering will be allowed in August 7th of this year and will go for 3 years. Second of all vehicles must be at a stop in order for you to filter lane. Thirdly, it needs to be under 15 miles an hour. And fourth, it needs to be wide enough lanes for you to safely pass. That will be in effect August 7th, and I am ready for it. Anybody else find it hard to listen to music if you're motovlogging? I feel like I can only do one or the other. I don't know. I'm not good at multitasking. Probably female motovloggers are probably better at that. Because I cannot multitask, dude. Either I'm listening to music, jamming out, or I'm motovlogging. It's one or the other. I cannot do both. Oh, okay. Interesting random parking lot that I never knew was here. Dude, if this isn't a place to practice wheelies, I don't know what is. I like it. Somebody's doing freaking burnouts here. Look at all these circles. Damn, this is a well-known area, apparently. Who'd have thunk? Ooh, Celica. I don't know why, I've always wanted a Celica. It makes sense, I suppose. If you knew me, you'd say that. That makes sense for you. Sporty little looking 2-door cars. Whee! Whoa, neutral. Whee! Whee! Woo! Let's ride the horse. Ride the horse. Whee! Remember when people used to do challenges back in the day when they were motovlogging? The 3x3 challenge, the red light challenge, all that stuff. Woo! Get on a bike. Whoa! What? I see that. I'm impressed. That thing's sick. Bye, man. He's showing off. And that would have been the perfect opportunity to let him rev the bike a little. It's alright. We'll get other opportunities. I don't know. Every interaction is a little different, you know? People are naturally awkward. And I'm definitely high on that spectrum of something. That's for sure. I'm going to go through here. Screw it. I'm going to go right through this area. Ooh, that sounds good here. Oh damn, he's got the subwoofers. How's it going? Good, saw the subs. You putting them in or taking them out? Putting them in. What do you got? 212s? Yeah. What? 12, yeah. What do you rocking? Can I check it out? Oh, that's sick. We got some powers. Oh, kickers. Nice. Hell yeah. You got a capacitor for this thing?
Nah.
No, not yet.
Just gonna run it, man.
Yeah. Fine, it just drop a little power every once in a while. You don't need it. Oh. Oh, really?
He always does.
Yeah. That's awesome.
A lot of fucking crazy shit.
Oh, yeah. Some of the builds they get, dude.
Oh, dude, they're crazy. And then just the flex on the roof.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, beautiful. Hell yeah.
Well, the best of luck, man.
Hell yeah,
I hope I hear you kicking around town one of these days, so. I miss the days of the subwoofers. I don't miss installing everything. That's what I was going with. Nice Lancer. God damn! That thing sounds nice. An Evo. Oh my god! I'm trying to give you guys raw audio without talking. That thing is sick. Oh no. God damn. Poor guy's stalled out. How's it going?
Go ahead.
Oh no, you're right.
You're way faster than I am. I'm a cowie, so.
Oh, what do you have?
Z900.
Oh, okay, nice.
Brand new to you?
Hey, oh yeah, for about 2 weeks. No, I've had about a month.
Okay.
Want a little card for moto?
Awesome.
Well, it's nice to meet you. Do you ride around local or?
Yeah.
Well, heck yeah, maybe I'll see you around.
Yeah, I'll wave. I'll see you at bike.
Heck yeah, you have a good one.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Nice people. Well, couldn't find anybody today, guys. If my battery ends up dying on me or something, I will see you guys on the next one, and hopefully find some people. People need to come out and ride more bikes. Well, either way, if I don't see more, I'll see y'all on the next one.